Chapter 8.4 Markup and Discount. Okay, discount is kind of markdown. Sale. When you sell or a product is on sale, then it's a discount, right? And then if you sell, if you want to sell something, then you put some profit margin, right? That is markup. So in this case, we need to understand some of the terms. The cost. Okay, cost is the amount of retailer or a merchandising business pays for a product. So let's say you run a computer business, and then so that you have to buy a computer from the manufacturer. So those amount is the cost. Okay, cost. So cost is what you pay for, and then you put some margin, and then margin is the markup. So the markup is based on the cost, right? The cost. So you can put 10% of the cost or 20% of the cost and whatever. So that you put that amount so that finally that will be the selling price, right? Selling price or the retail price. So the selling price is the price for which a retailer sells that product to a customer. So that's selling price, right? And the markup is the amount that you put, it's the margin, right? Markup is the margin. So markup is the margin or profit. It's the margin or the profit, right? And the markup rate is the percent that you apply to the cost. So 20% of the cost or 30%, 50% of the cost, that's the markup rate. So we can write it something like this. Let's draw a diagram. This is really helpful. So always draw a diagram. So markup is similar to the percent increase. So look at this. All right. So here is the original cost. So let's say I want to buy a computer. Then you pay for the computer first, right? You're buying computer from a manufacturer. So this is the cost. That you add a retailer will pay for it, right? And then you put some margin on it, right? So this is the amount you put. So this is the markup. This is the markup, right? And then finally, so the cost plus the markup amount is together. This is the selling price, right? Selling price. So we can write it as selling price or retail price. Very simple, isn't it? Very simple. So the markup comes from the cost. So like a 20% markup. 20% markup means that is the markup rate. So 20%, then it will be the 20% of the cost, right? So this markup, so this amount will be, for example, X% of the cost. So the cost will be the base, isn't it? This will be the base. All right, so the markup plus cost will be the selling price, and then selling price minus the markup will be the cost, right? So let's say this is the markup is M, the cost is C, and the selling price is, let's say, P. So markup plus the cost will be the selling price, right? And then selling price minus the markup will be the cost, or the selling price minus the cost will be the markup, right? Markup. Simple. How about the markup? Also, the markup is the X% of the cost, right? So you can also say that the markup is X% of what? The cost, right? The cost. So X%, if it's 20%, then there will be 0.2, right? 0.2. So this is the markup rate, isn't it? The markup rate. So X% is the markup rate. Markup rate. Let's say R. Markup rate R. So you can also rewrite it. So the markup can be R times the cost. So once you understand the diagram, it's easier to find out the equation. Okay, let's say a book cost is $20. Okay, a book costs $20 and markup rate is 50%. All right, then look at this. The cost is what? $20, right? So this is $20. And then the markup rate is 50%. This is the markup, right? This is the markup. And this amount is 50% of the base, $20, right? So there is 0.5 times 20 is $10. So the markup is $10, and then the selling price, this is retail price, isn't it? Retail price. So the retail price is equal to what? The base $20 plus $10, which is the markup, cost and the markup. So there will be $30. Can I write it here? So this is the cost plus markup, right? Markup, which is 20 plus 10, so that is $30. So this $20 is the cost, right? Cost and the markup. Simple, isn't it? Simple. So draw a diagram so it's easier to write an equation. Okay, a suit costs $80 and the suit is sold for $116. Then find the markup rate. All right, what you have to do is draw a diagram. So the cost is $80. Right, this is the cost, which is $80. And then you put some margin on it, markup. So I don't know what the markup is, right? So this is the cost, this is the markup. But we don't know what the markup is, but we know the selling price, the retail price. Selling price, right? So we don't know what this is, but the selling price is $116. So the markup is, so this markup will be what? The selling price minus the cost, right? So this will be the selling price minus the cost. So the selling price is 116 and the cost is 80. So the markup amount will be $36. Can you see it? So we have $36. So since we want to find the markup rate, how do you find the markup rate? So markup rate is, let's say this is R, right? Let's say this is R. Then R% of the costs will be the markup, right? Markup. Can you see it? So the markup. So from this one, markup is R% of what? The cost, right? The cost. That's the markup amount, this amount, right? So this one, so this is $36 is the markup. So markup is R%. So can we write it? Okay, let's write it something like this. So markup Okay, markup. So markup amount is R percent times the cost. So markup is $36, and then R is the one we're looking for, and the cost is $80. So from this, 36 is equal to R times 80, so we can divide each side by 80. Then 36 over 80 is divided by 4, then 9 over 20, right? This is equal to, come over here, 9 over 20 is equal to R. Then this is equal to 9 over 20 is, that is 45, right? 0.45 R. So R is equal to 45%. Since R is a decimal, we convert it to a percent, right? So R equals 45%, which is, this is the markup rate, right? Markup rate. So markup rate is 45%. So you applied 45% to the cost. So 45% of $80 is 116. Okay, simple, isn't it? So always draw a diagram so that you can write an equation easily, very easily. Okay, here's another example. A fishing reel costs $50. With a markup rate of 22%. Find the selling price. Okay, so draw a diagram. Okay, let me draw it again. All right, this is the cost, right? This is the cost, which is $50. And then the markup. Right, so this is the markup. And this amount is 22%, right? This is the 22% of what? The cost, always the cost. The base is the cost, always. So 0.22 times $50. Then that is equal to $11, isn't it? So the markup is $11. So what is the selling price? It's the sum of these two, right? Sum of the cost and the markup. Markup is the markup amount. So the cost is $50 plus $11. So that is $61. So this is the selling price. The selling price is $60. Very simple, isn't it? So draw a diagram. And then the markup is, the base for the markup is always the cost. So X% of the cost. That is the markup. All right, this time let's check the discount and the markup, markdown. And discount is opposite to the markup. So discount amount or markdown amount is the amount by which a retailer reduces the regular price of a product. Okay, which means, okay, let me draw a diagram as well. So now, this is the selling price. This is the regular price. So okay, let me write it. This is the regular price, which is the selling price, right? Selling price. Regular price. So this regular price is now on sale. A product is on sale. So there is a discount, right? This much will be discounted. So this is the discount. Or this is the markdown. Okay, so discount or markdown is the amount that you for the sale. Okay, then the rest is the sale price, right? Sale price. Because it's on sale, so this is the sale price after the discount. So sale price is always lower than the regular price, and the discount amount or the markdown is based on the regular price, always regular price. Okay, so the discount rate. So discount rate is the discount percent from the regular price, right? So this one is, let's say the discount rate is R. The discount rate is R, then this is R percent of what? R percent of the regular price, always the regular price. Not from the cost. This time it's not cost. It's totally different story. So the base is, so this is the base, right? This is the base. So always the base will be the regular price because you are discounting the price, the regular price. Okay. So once you understand this diagram, and it's much easier to write an equation. All right, so let's write some equations. As you can see, okay, let's say regular price is R. Regular price is R, and the sale price is S. The sale price S, and the discount or markdown is D. And the discount rate, let's say the discount rate is R. Okay, R percent. This is the sale selling percentage, right? Sale percentage. All right, then. Okay, then from here, the regular price is R, right? So regular price minus the discount will be the sale price, on sale, on sale. Okay, and then from this one, or the discount amount plus the sale price will be the regular price, right? Or the discount is the discount rate times the base. So discount rate, which is R, times the base. The base is the regular price. So 20%. So 20% discount means 20% times what? The regular price, right? Or the sale price. The sale price is actually the regular price minus the discount, right? Or you can do it this way. The discount is R percent discount, R percent discount. So 100% times R percent. So you can write it something like this: 1 minus R times the regular price. Can you see it? So the discount rate is 20%. Then the sale price is 80%, right? 80% of the regular price. So 1 minus R. So this part is a little bit confused. So if the discount rate is 20%, then what is the sale price? Isn't it 80%, right? 100% minus 20 is 80, right? So this one is 0.2, then this will be 1 minus 0.2, right? 1 minus 0.2, so 0.8. So 1 minus 0.2 is 1 minus R. Make sense? All right, then we can have one more equation. So the discount, then the discount is what? Is the total is the regular price. So you can, so R minus the sale price, right? As you see the diagram. So total minus S is D, right? Okay, then let's check this example. A book's regular price is $20. So this is the regular price, R, right? R. Okay, let's draw a diagram. So regular price. Okay, this is the regular price, R, $20. Regular. And this one is on sale. So 25% off. So this is the discount, right? Discount, which is 20%, 25% of the regular price, $20. Can I write it $20, right? Okay, then this will be the selling price, the sale price. So the sale price is, okay, this one is 25% of 20 is 0.25, which is 1/4 of 20. So that is $15, right? Okay, so the sale price is the regular price minus discount. This is the regular price minus the discount. So regular price is $20 and then minus the discount is 15. Sorry, this is $5, right? This is $5, sorry. So the sale price will be $15. Simple. Just like this. Or the sale price is what? Isn't it 75%? Because discount rate is 25%. So the sale price is 75% of 20. So 75% comes from 1 minus 0.25, right? So you can find the answer, the sale price like this. Or the sale price is, this is 75% of the regular price, $20, right? How did you get 75%? That is 100% minus 25%, which is 1 minus 0.25, right? So this one is equal to 0.75 times 20, which is 15. This is 0.75, right? Same thing. Or you can get the sale price like this. So it's really important to draw a diagram like this so that you can find equations related to this. Okay, one last example is this one. A tablet that regularly sells for $1,850 is now on sale for $1,480. So this amount is decreased because it's on sale. Then what is the discount rate? Okay, then draw diagram. So this is the regular price, R, $1,850. So regular price, right? Regular price. So this one is on sale. I don't know how much, but the sale price is this one. The sale price is $1,480. Okay, then what is the discount amount? And the discount is the regular price minus the sale price, right? So regular price, the total price minus sale price. So that equals 1,850 minus 1,480. Then this is 370, right? Okay, so since we want to find the discount rate, so 370 is discount. So this 370 is X percent of, no, R percent of the regular price, isn't it? So discount rate. So what is the formula for the discount rate? Okay, So the discount. So discount is R percent of what? The regular price. Because the base is the regular price. The base is the regular price. So 20% of the regular price will be, or 30%, or whatever the percent is, will be the discount, right? So the discount is $370, and then R percent, let's use R, and then later we will change it to percent, and the regular price is 1,850. Okay, then let's find R. So divide each side by 1,850. Okay, then isn't it if you 370 multiplied by 5, 8. So what is R? Then when you divide this one, then 185 times 2 is 370, right? So this is this is 0.2. So this fraction becomes 0.2. So this means 0.2 means what? 20%, right? 20%. So the discount rate is 20%. Therefore, the discount rate is 20%. Simple, isn't it? So for these particular questions, like a markup or markdown question or discount question, draw a diagram. So you don't have to memorize the equation. There are so many equations related to this. You don't have to memorize it. Just understand the diagram so that you can write an equation. So the equation varies. It depends on the questions, right? So sometimes you will ask the discount, or you will ask you the discount rate, or find the sale price or regular price, whatever. So all these equations comes from the diagram. So don't forget the diagram. Understand the diagram and use the diagram. Okay, so that's it for this section.